Hello everyone, I am Shamanth CSAT faculty at Insights. I hereby welcome you to the CSAT series question of the day 11. Today I have taken a question from ages. Even though the topic is ages, the concept here is ratios. Ratio of present age of Rakesh and his daughter is 3:1. After 5 years, the ratio becomes 7:3. Find their present age. In age-based questions, always keep two things in mind. One is, if age increases for A by 5 years, A is a person, let's say his age increases by 5 years, means B's age, C's age, his father, sons, daughters, husband, wife, whoever around him or else whoever around the world, everyone's age will be increased by 5. So age is relative. Second, if the age gap between A and B is 5 years, let's say A is 5 years older than B, then throughout their lifespan, the age gap will be 5 years only. You take after 10 years, after 15 years, or else before 10 years, before 15 years also, once they were born with 5 years of age gap, throughout the lifetime, age gap will be 5 years. Keep these two in mind. And also, most of the ages question will be either from ratios or else from average. And this question is from ratio here. Now, as usual, before solving this question, we'll take one more question. Look at this question. This is a very similar one. Two numbers are there in the ratio 4:5. The ratio of two numbers is 4:5. When 10 is added to each, the ratio becomes 6:7. See, we can say this as there are two people, the ratio of their age is 4:5. After 10 years, means when 10 is added or else after 10 years, that's one and the same. To each, then the ratio becomes 6:7. Find these numbers or else find the age of two people. Anything can be a question. Look here now. I'll show you three methods here. See, let's say the ratio is 4x and 5x. 4x and 5x. When 10 is added to both numbers, whatever the ratio you get is nothing but 6:7. You can take it as 6y and 7y. Anyway, y will get cancelled. If you solve for this one, this is 28x plus 70. This is 30x plus 60. If you keep like terms one side, this becomes 10. So, x value is equal to 5. If x value is equal to 5, then 4x value is equal to 20 and 5x value is equal to 25. Look here, the original numbers are 20 and 25. When you add 10 to both numbers, 10 to both numbers, the numbers becomes 30 and 35, which is in the ratio 6:7 only. 30 and 35 are in the ratio 6:7. This is one conventional method. Or else, I'll show you one method. Or else, originally ratio was 4:5. Afterwards, ratio became 6:7. See, initially it was 4 units. Now it has become 6 units. Initially this was 5 units. Now it has become 7 units. There is a change of 2 units here, right? There is a change of 2 units here also. This 2 units change is a result of addition of 10, isn't it? Here also 10 is added. Here also 10 is added. Absolute value of 10 is added. Hence the ratio of 2 is increased, or else 2x is increased, you can say. So these two parts is nothing but what? 10 only. These two parts is nothing but what? 10 only. If two parts is 10, one part is 5. If one part is 5, this is 4 parts. 4 parts is 20. 5 parts is 25. See, the numbers are 20 and 25. See, rather than going by these two methods, I'll show you one more method. 4:5. Afterwards, it becomes 6:7. See, 4:5 became 6:7 because of the addition of 10 for both numbers 4 and 5, isn't it? Now, look here now. Multiply like this. See, 5 into 6 is 30. 7 into 4 is 28. The difference between these two is 2. Okay. See, this is result of 6 into 5. This is 7 into 4. Difference is 2. Similarly, take the difference like this. 7 into 10 is 70. 7 into 10, that is 70. 6 into 10 is 60. Okay. 6 into 10 is 60. Take the difference of these two. This is equal to 10. Okay. Equate. These two parts is equal to 10. Okay. Whatever the difference we got here, I repeat once again, 5 into 6 is 30. Okay. I am talking about the difference here. Okay. Not the subtraction. Difference. Both are positive. Hence, take the difference here. 5 into 6 is 30. 4 into 7 is 28. Okay. Difference between these two is 2. Similarly, 7 into 10 is 70. 6 into 10 is 60. The difference between these two is 10. So, 2 parts if it is equal to 10, 1 part is equal to 5. If 1 part is equal to 5, 4 parts are 20 and 5 parts are 25. Okay. This is the one best method, and this method is called cross product method. Okay. Know the name, very useful method, cross product method. Now, using this technique, we'll solve one more question. Again, this question, ratio of two numbers is 1:2. When 7 is added to both, the ratio becomes 3:5. Okay. So, conventionally, I am solving. This is 1x, 2x. For both number, I am adding 7. Question can be anything. If you subtract 7, see, if you get a, when 7 is subtracted, you have to do minus 7, that's it. The ratio becomes 3:5. If you simplify this one, 5 into 1x, that is 5x plus 35 is equal to 6x plus 21. So, like terms, one side, that is x becomes 14. If x becomes 14, this 1x is 14 and this 2x is 28. So, the numbers are 14 and 28. So, the answer is 14 and 28. Or else, if you solve by one more method, okay, see, 1:2 become 3:5. Okay, because of the addition of 7 here. But because of the addition of 7, here 2 parts is increased, here 3 parts is increased. If here it was 2, here also 2, I would have said this 2 parts is equal to 7. Or else, if it was 3 here also, then I would have said 3 parts is equal to 7. But the number of difference parts here is not same. So, we have to make it same. How to make it same? Look here now. Take the difference of these two. We have the difference 2. Multiply this one by 2. Okay. Multiply this ratio by 2. Whatever the difference you see here, 1. Okay. Multiply this by 1 here. See, this is that 2 and this is that 1. So, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 5 is 5 here. Okay. And the ratio here differs by what? 1 part, here also 1 part. That is because of 7. If 1 part is 7, 2 parts are, you see, this is the original. 7 part, 1 part is 7, 2 parts are 14, 4 parts are 28. Okay. Now, we will apply the CPM, cross product method. See, 1:2 became 3:5 because of the addition of 7 on both sides. I am going to do this one directly now. 5 into 1 is 5, 3 into 2 is 6. 5 and 6 difference is 1. Okay, I am doing again. 5 into 1, 5, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, do not subtract. Take the difference here because both are on positive side. Difference of 5 and 6 is 1 here. And 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 3, 21. 7 into 5 is 35. Difference is 35 and 21, 14. If one part is 14, see, this is one part, 14. This is 2 parts, 28. Okay, CPM, the most effective method. Now, we'll go back to the question of the day. Now, the question of the day, ratio of percentage of Rakesh and his daughter is 3:1. This is the percentage of Rakesh and his daughter. Okay, 3:1. After 5 years means you have to add 5 here, isn't it? Okay. Daughter also gets added with 5. Then the ratio becomes what? 7:3. 7:3. See, here it is 4 parts, here it is 2 parts, isn't it? Let's apply the CPM here. 3:1 became 7:3 because of the addition of 5 for both, isn't it? Okay. Now, look here, 3 into 3 is 9, 7 into 1 is 7. Again, 3 into 3, 9, 7 into 1 is 7. Difference is 2. Difference is 2 here. Now, 7 into 5 is 35. 5 into 3 is 15. 7 into 5, 35. 5 into 3 is 15. 35 and 15 difference is 20. Whatever you are seeing, these 2 parts is equal to 20. Then 1 part is equal to 10. And 3 parts is equal to 30. 1 part is equal to 10. Okay. So, the initial or the present age of Rakesh and daughter is 30 and 10. Prime numbers means having only and only 2 factors. Factors are nothing but what? Divisors. Divisors, isn't it? Okay. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, etc., etc., etc. Okay. 1 is not a prime number. The least prime number is 2. And the only even prime number is 2. Isn't it? The highest, least and the only even prime number is 2. But he is asking for what? See, look at the keywords. Find the unit digit. We need only the unit digit. At the product of all the odd prime numbers. All the odd prime numbers means we cannot consider 2. If you don't consider 2, look here now. If you multiply all the odd prime numbers, 3, 5, 7, anything. If you get 5 and any multiplied with any odd digit, then again at the end you will get 5, right? See, 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, again 5. 5 into 7, again you will get 5 at the end. If you multiply with any other number, you will get at the end or else the unit digit as what? 5. Okay, take any prime number. So, the answer is 5 in this case because all the odd prime numbers he is asking. Okay, so apart from 2, you have to multiply everything. So, at the end you will get 5. So, the answer is 5 here, guys. Now, okay, this is the bouncer of today. Try to solve this question and put the answer in the comment section. And this is about the course, and today is the last date to avail the offer and make use of the course. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.